Alright, so the first thing I'm going to work on is packing up the rotary tool. So I need to get everything packed up and sorted. Alright, let's get to work. Damn it! Alright. First item in the box. Let's start filling this thing. I just finished packing up the rotary tool and I found this. Yeah, that's one of the bits for the rotary tool. And now I gotta go unpack it. Alright, here we got all the hand tools, some clamps, my hand plane, my chisels, and my chisel hammer. Now these all need to get packed. So, bag. So I need to grab, and they're gonna go in this box right here. So, yeah, let's get to work packing up all of these bits. Alright, let's go. Alright, pause this. I can't get these saws in here. I mean, I can get this one in here, but I can't get this one in here. So we're just gonna go put this straight in the box. Alright, so I'm pretty far into packing, so I got all the hand tools in there, but there's still a lot of space left in the box, so I am now just going to fill it with random stuff. Yay! Alright, you got Alright, got it closed. Item number 2 in the box. Alright, let's rotate that. Alright, we got that. Also, let's put this saw in here. Saw in. Alright, there we go. Second thing in this giant box. And I got a lot more to go. Now we're on to the chop saw. The dreaded chop saw. Not dreaded, just an adventure. Now we're on to the chop saw. Let's sit down. Alright, I think I just mounted. Oh yeah. Alright, now let's see. Reveal this. Yeah, that's a mess. Alright. Alright, we're just getting started and I've already run into a problem. Yeah, how am I gonna get that in there? Alright. We are not gonna be able to get the chop saw in a box. First disappointment. Oh well. Alright. We are now this far in. We're gonna get to a part that I have dreaded. Disassembling the lathe. Now I know it's not gonna fit in the box, so I'm not even gonna bother. But this thing needs to come down. And this does too. Alright. Let's get to work. Alright, now we're just going to grab the tools and start putting them in either this or this. Alright, the shop has been pretty much entirely dismantled. There's a bit more work that needs to be done before it's all packed, but that's pretty much packed. I mean, I gotta put packed to finish, the stains and finishes, but other than that, it's packed. The lathe's been disassembled. The lathe's been disassembled, it's ready to go in the truck. All the tools have been removed from their spots, never put in there or there. Don't know what to do with the chop saw, it's probably going to be packed with the lathe. Alright. Should probably get the stains packed actually. Alright, I'll get the stains real quick. That's how quickly all this stuff. I can't tell. Yes. We're moving the workbench out. Liam is pushing it while I'm holding the camera. It has decidedly gotten stuck. Now here comes the fun. Alright, we'll just skip to getting it loaded into the truck. Alright, so here we are, we're getting ready to get, if I can just find it, that in the truck. Well, I'm that in the truck, this truck. If I might tell you something, this was filmed on the same day as the last segment of the moving video, you know, the packing of the bed. And so, yeah, I didn't do this morning. Well, as I'm publishing the video, the morning I published the video, doing this the morning, the afternoon, I made the other video. So yeah. And there comes the tractor now. Liam and Dad are getting the tractor set up. We just need to attach something to the cap. We just need to attach some counterbalance so that the giant trunk over there, which is obscured by the trailer, doesn't tip the tractor. There's Liam loading the tool chest up. And hopefully we're gonna get it in there. Let's see. We're going almost. It's on. Yes. Just a little bit further. Alright. This was like 20 minutes of work. So, I'm not showing you as much work as actually went into it, but yeah, it's a while. And Liam and Dad are doing most of the work. Alright. I'm gonna go home.